Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another luxury video, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. This time we are going to be doing sneakers. So you guys know I usually do purses on my channel, so today we're going to be doing some sneakers. And if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this, and if you're not and you like nice things, you need to be following your girl on Instagram. So let's just get right into it. Let's just do the unboxing and show you guys exactly what I have. So this is what we will be unboxing today, and this box is really heavy. This was a birthday gift to myself. Last weekend I went to Miami for my birthday just to go shopping. I went on a shopping spree in Miami. I went to Bal Harbour. I think that's how you pronounce it, but if y'all haven't been to Bal Harbour in Miami, sorry, I'm comparing it to Atlanta because Bal Harbour is like Phipps Plaza in Miami on steroids. So yeah, they don't got nothing off this plaza. A lot of money up in there. So this was one of the purchases I got for my birthday, which was the Louis Vuitton runaway sneaker. And I was torn between getting these sneakers and the Chanel sneakers, but I decided to just go ahead and get these because they've been on my wish list for quite some time now. So I'm gonna just unbox it. And it came home all in one piece. I did purchase it at the store, and I had to purchase extra luggage to bring it home. So this is how it looks after she pretty much packaged it up leaving the store, and my bag is still in mint condition because I folded it up and put it in my luggage. And I keep all my bags, y'all. I keep all my bags, I keep all my boxes, I keep all my dust bags just in case I decide I want to sell my items. So this is the box. The box is pretty sturdy, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So when you get the box, it comes just like this. It slides open. So when you get the sneakers, they do come in 2 dust bags, which I like because whenever I travel, I like to put my sneakers in dust bags. I usually keep my dust bags for my purses just for my sneakers when I travel. So this is how it looks. And girl, look at the sneakers. Look at these sneakers. They are so pretty. Alright, so this is what the sneaker looks like. And I'll tell you guys about the sizing and everything because the sizing is really complicated. This is from the side of your arch, forward facing, and this is how it looks. A lot of detail in this sneaker. So yeah, there's a lot of detail in this sneaker, which I really love. The sneaker does have the Louis Vuitton leather around it. I really love that. So it comes with the leather right here, and it comes with the leather right here, and then there is some trim back here as well as the logo, which is placed right there. And the sneaker is made of leather. I'm not really sure what this material is, but it is a waterproof material, and if you wanted to get something to spray it, I'm pretty sure you could do that with the sneaker in order to protect it. And the back, it has this gold, I don't know what you call that, but it's made out of plastic. It has this gold detail, and then right in the middle it does have the Louis Vuitton logo on it. So I really love this sneaker. I got this from the Saks, the Louis Vuitton boutique in Saks. And honestly, I think every Louis Vuitton purchase that I've ever had was in that Louis Vuitton boutique in Saks. So they had a pretty good selection. They had a whole room where they just had shoes in there, and I tried these on, and I tried the arch lights on, and I like these the most. There was one thing that I did not like about these sneakers, and that is the sizing. If you purchase these sneakers, I strongly recommend you go to the store and try them on and not purchase them online, because the sizing for these sneakers was very complicated for my foot. I wear a size 6.5, and these are a size 36, which is a size 6. The sizing is up here. That's the only way you can see what size shoe this is in here. So if you buy these from a seller online, this is how you determine what the size is. So I got these in a size 36, although I wear a size 6.5, and honestly I wanted to even go down a size because I like my sneakers to feel very snug, very tight, and these sneakers have a really weird fit because they have a arch inside of the sneaker. So if you take the sole out, like they have like a little heel inside the sneaker, which makes the sizing a little bit complicated. And then they have this dip right here, which makes the sneaker feel like it's a little bit too big for your foot. So that's why I say go to the store, because the sizing is very complicated, because this shoe has a very unique fit to it. So that was my only complaint with this sneaker. Now I tried this one on, and I tried it on in black. I probably will go back and get black after I wear these a couple of times. I want to see how I feel about them before I get them in black. But honestly, I like these sneakers so much. I like the style of the sneakers so much. It fits my lifestyle. I've become a sneaker girl lately. And so if I like the way they fit, if they feel comfortable after about 5 or 6 wears, I probably will go back and purchase the black sneaker either online on the website, or if I'm lucky enough to find this on a reseller from like the Real or something like that, I will purchase it from a reseller that does authenticate their shoes. So but yeah, I really like these sneakers. So that is how this one comes. This one also came in a dust bag as well. So show you guys side by side. Ew. And so I'll probably wear these with just some casual outfits. I probably won't wear them too much because they are white, and I'm pretty sure they'll stain very easily. So if I do wear these will kind of be like an in and out type of sneakers, and I'll be cleaning them in between each and every use. I do have a couple of other luxury shoes, not sneakers, but like heels, sandals, and things like that I have run through the ground. And I've learned my lesson with purchasing luxury shoes. It's kind of like some shoes are just intended for being cute and not normal everyday wear. Once they do get stained pretty, once maybe like after a year or two, I'll transition these into everyday sneakers. But for right now, these are going to be like my hey girl, you cute kind of sneakers. So yeah, so that's how they come. And then the sales associate also gave me a second pair of laces. I don't know why she gave it to me. I don't know if that's what they come with or she was doing me a favor. But I did get a second pair of laces, which is good because your laces got to be clean. Because if your laces is dirty, the whole shoe just start looking dirty. This is the receipt. If you guys want to know how much they cost, I think Florida tax is about the same as Georgia tax. Yeah, it's about the same as Georgia tax. I paid, the total came out to $936.26. So the good thing too that I love about Louis Vuitton, like Louis Vuitton has the best customer service ever. Best customer service. So whenever you purchase anything from Louis Vuitton, you put your information into the system. I think this might be my fourth purchase from Louis Vuitton. And actually, I reviewed a bag that I purchased on Louis Vuitton, which is my favorite bag. And the bag had a tear in it, and they provided excellent customer service. The bag had a tear in it. Long story, but it wasn't my fault. Somebody spilled something on my bag. It got a tear, and they really helped me through that process. So that's one thing I love about Louis Vuitton, is they have almost a lifetime warranty on their items. If something goes bad, and it's more so a defect on Louis Vuitton, they will replace whatever you have. So I love Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton stuff never goes on sale. So when you do purchase something, this year it might be $936. Next year these sneakers might be $1,100. So Louis Vuitton always increases in value, and that's one of the things that I love about them. They're one of my favorite luxury companies to purchase from. So in addition to that, this is what also is in the box. Now this is the first time I purchased from Louis Vuitton, and they gave me some perfume samples. So that's why I was like, it smells so good in here. So I did get 2 perfume samples. She gave me some perfume samples, and I don't know why, but lately I've been getting all of these luxury perfume samples. I think people just want my money. But yeah, I got 2 samples, and they smell so good. I'll put them on when I'm ready, because I know if I like them too much, I might want to go ahead and get some. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next luxury video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you check out my luxury video playlist right here, where you can see some of my other luxury purchases. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.